The topic of presentation is studies on population dynamics of Pratylenchus species. Philip Geo in 1936 in relation to soil abatic factors in Mulberry Field at Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India. Myself, Dr. Sunil Lavhad, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Anna Sai Partak College of Arts, Kedarnath Malhotra College of Commerce, and E.S. Andradis College of Science, Vasai Road, Palghar, Maharashtra. When we start the discussion, the first topic is aim and objective of the study is there. When any kind of study we can or any kind of research we are performing, there is motto of our study is there. And when the motto is very clear that to know the prevalence of nematode and taxonomic status of the study area, to study the distribution and fluctuation in nematode population densities around the roots of mulberry, to know the seasonal fluctuation in nematode population, to study the correlation in between nematode population and abiotic factors of soil, namely soil pH is there, or temperature is there, moisture is there, and these are factors we can get correlated with the population of this Platylenchus species. This is photographs of mulberry field. Uh, the variety of mulberry is V1. This is a Morus alba species. We should be observing the photographs. This is the genus Platylenchus Philip G in 1936, which the entire body view of people observe here. And this is the anterior middle part of the nematode parasite and tail region of this nematode. And this is entire photographs is taken in 40x microscope. Introduction part is there. In India, sericulture is one of the important agro and forest-based cottage industry, earning of foreign exchange of about rupees 400 crores per annum and providing gainful employment to over 6 million people. A major constant in the cultivation of mulberry and production of quality mulberry leaves is the attack of mulberry pest. This is some insect pests are there, and another part is the diseases, including plant parasitic nematode, also get very much effect on mulberry leaf quality. Then about 42 species belonging to 24 genera of nematodes are associated with mulberry in different mulberry growing region of the world. The severity of attack and damage depends on the soil and climatic condition of different areas. The soil microenvironment is there. The soil factors like temperature, moisture, pH have important role in influence them even managing the nematode population. The present investigation study shows that there is a variation in Platylenchus species. Philip G. in 1936 was observed in relation to soil temperature, moisture, and pH in mulberry field during the study. The objective of the study is to understand the influence and effect of these soil aquatic factors on population of these Platylenchus nematode species. Material method, it is also very important regarding the research point of view. When soil sample collection is there, nematode extraction for count is there, we carried out the study in Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathana University, Aurangabad. The sample method is very simple. That means pulled to sample from random sampling method from collection site of Mulberry Garden month-wise from June 2009 to May to 2011. The soil samples were proceeded by sieving Cobb method 1918 and decanting and nematode were extracted by modified Bierman funnel technique by Christie and Freire in 1951 methodology. The estimation of soil abatic factors at Mulberry Field, the portion of soil sample we have collected from Mulberry selected area for ecological study was kept separate to estimate the soil abatic factors like moisture is there, soil temperature is there, soil pH is there, should be get estimate in a following manner. Estimation of soil temperature. Okay, soil temperature was recorded every month from the study period at Mulberry Field at a time of collection of the soil sample between 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. With the help of soil thermometer. Estimation of soil pH should be with the help of soil pH meter. We should be take the soil pH and note down on the field during the collection time. Also, the estimation of soil temperature, we take collected soil and we can proceed the soil toward the laboratory and then weighing 10 gram of soil, then take 18 oven at temperature around 105 ounce Celsius overnight and again reweight the soil and with the formula of soil moisture we can calculate the soil moisture. Result and discussion. In Aurangabad Tehsil, Mulberry Garden, we have considering in our study area. The maximum population of this Patilanka species can be observed mostly during the September month during both year 2010 as well as 2011. September showing higher reading. That means 128 during 2010 and 79 sorry 2009 and 79 during 2010. We can observe all this reading. Basically we observe the 2 month 2 year data here, and where we observe that maximum population is September month. When we go for minimum population of this Platylanca species, population was recorded in month of April and May. In 2009 it is showing uh, 6 to 8 and 3 respectively 2011. The data regarding the monthly population fluctuation of this Platylanca species in nematode in Aurangabad Mulberry Garden is shown in the upcoming diagram. Uh, this is the data for 2009, 2010, and 2011. We observe mostly in September 2009 and September 2010. It's showing the increasing trend, and during the April and May, you observe here and here also the decreasing trend of the Platylanca species due to the temperature. Higher temperature in this month in Maharashtra region, and because of temperature influence of this temperature, it's shown that the decrease in the temperature. And September region more moisture in the soil due to the rainy waterfall is there due to the rainy season. It's showing the higher population is there. When the correlation regression point of view, in we can biostatically study the area of the study, the relationship of Platylanca species with soil temperature, moisture with pH can be represented by correlation coefficient R in the total period of the study. R is equal to negative correlation showing here minus 0.307. For moisture it show the positive correlation 0.653 and P is equal to 0.001. And we consider for a pH value, R is shows a negative correlation 0.603 and P value is 0.002 respectively. It's shown in the upcoming slide, figure 2 to 4. You observe there also how the pH, moisture, and soil temperature value correlated with the population of this Platylinca species is there. The correlation coefficient shows a trend of inverse relationship between the fluctuation of population density of this Platylinca species with that soil temperature and pH should be varies in negative correlation. We can observe during the study period with the significant negative correlation. On the other hand, we have directly proportional relation found between the population abundance and soil moisture with significant correlation. That means positive correlation we observe in the during the study period. These are the some graphical representation for the coefficient regression and coefficient, and this is R value showing the negative value, and this is the population of this Platylanca species versus temperature graph is there, and it shows a decreasing trend. Similar graph is showing for pH also is showing decreasing trend. It's also showing the negative correlation. But when we observe for moisture of soil versus population of this Platylancus, it's showing the positive correlation, and it shows a positive manner. So this is some supportive study. Jairaj Puri et al. In 1974 observed that the similarity of similar fashion work on the basis of optimum pH. It's showing the similar result. Also, Madanlal and Jowri in 2007 also showing the temperature based result on the population, showing the maximum during the less temperature and showing higher less showing higher temperature higher during the less temperature, and show the decreasing trend of population during the higher temperature, that means 30 ounce celsius. Yusuf in 1998 also show the some uh, negative correlation point of view regarding with the temperature as well as pH in the period of this scientist. These all the references which can give supportive or a similarity of observation during their study period with our research work. There are some references which are helpful to us during the study period, and I give some uh, help. Get help from such uh, eminent researchers' work in my research time. Acknowledgement point of view, the authors are thankful to all farmers from Aurangabad district and university authorities. Head of Department of Zoology, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad, India, from providing such a nice laboratory and laboratory facility during this work. I am also thankful to organizing committee of this international conference to give in such a nice opportunity to present my research work, and they provide me a nice platform to do such a presentation. And I am also uh, thankful to all listener of this international conference. Thank you one and all.